Dog's barking. Morning, Wolf. It is a rainy. It's raining outside. Look at that. Like it's not a heavy rain, so still rain nevertheless. But yep, it is a Saturday. It's the weekends. We're finally here. It's time to kick back and chill for a bit, hopefully. And yeah, we will. Let's go. Let's chill. I just started the thing. Anyway, we are here at some other coffee shop and we're having this, and of course I'm having that, waiting for the eggs to cook and then playing too. So much things going on at the one time. Star Wars!
Yoda.
Oh, those are press again. Oh,
boo! What's this?
Bobo, what's gonna happen to your fur today? Can you tell everyone? Bo, come back. Can you tell everyone what's gonna happen to your fur today? Where are we going later? What's gonna happen? Hey!
What's that?
Poop! So recently, actually not very recently, it's some time already, for the longest time that I've been interested in this. This is called the Teenage Engineering OP1. It says the Portable Wonder Synthesizer. Look at the design of this thing. And it looks really awesome. And it has like a couple of tape decks that you can actually play around with. Allows you to sample things. 16 hours battery life. Not sure that I really need that, but then again, it's so nice. And it's modular as well. Is it modular? No, not exactly modular, but like it's look at that. It's portable and shit, and I like it a lot. And a lot of DJs use it as well. Check this out. This is a video from the Swedish House Mafia. So they actually use this for the music, or rather the song 1. Yeah, before I get taken down. That's awesome. But it is crazy because it costs 1,000 euros, and that's gonna cost like man amount here. So I'm gonna try and pull this back out, blow the dust off, and see if we could do something with this, hopefully. But yeah, it is off to Cheryl's house. Cheryl is still sleeping. And let's go, barbecue time. And oh hey,
That's another lobster.
there's like a lobster inside there. Hi Coco, what's up?
High five. Do you want to? Yeah.
Only do that for treats.
Yeah. Let's try another one. So clever, boy.
Okay, yeah, that doesn't look very in the heat of game. Okay, we finally got in the heat of battle faces. Only both of them left.
Wait.
Wow! Wow! Wait! Please! You have to tap on the secret power already, though. Yeah.
Like you said, you will lose your money in the
But there's still one more card to open. And just got back home. It's about 1 AM right now. Going to sleep. Actually, not just yet. I'm gonna edit this vlog first. Grab a quick wash up and then go to sleep. So catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. See you. Bye bye.